Are you tired of sweltering summer days that leave you sticky and uncomfortable? The RANVOO Aice 3 Neck Air Conditioner is your ultimate solution. Featuring patented Aice Max cooling technology, it efficiently dissipates heat, keeping you cool even in temperatures over 100 Fahrenheit. You're watching Trusted Buddies, and before we start, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep up with our videos. Another thing that makes it stand out is its superconducting aluminum cooling, which works 2.6 times better than regular aluminum. It is the best thing for you. It's small and light, only 1.5 pounds, and measures 6.3 inches deep, 8.2 inches wide, and 3.1 inches high. In other words, it cools down the area around it more quickly and effectively. Imagine a steady flow of cool, frosty air that never stops, no matter how hot it is outside. That's what Aice gives you. Its special ice triangle circulation system covers important heat zones and blood vessel paths on your neck, getting cool air to every part of your body fast. It has a strong cooling cluster and 4 holes that let cold air flow from above and below, keeping your whole body completely cool. The Aice 3 can help you if you're in Florida or Texas. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The incredibly large 6,000 mAh battery, which is made better by an AI battery system, cools for an amazing 3 to 30 hours. Plus, 15-watt fast charging lets you get 80% charged back in just 2 hours. It can be charged through a power bank, so you can use it with one and stay cool all day. The Aice isn't just about cooling, it's your personal temperature expert. With the RANVOO app, you can choose from 4 modes: fan, cooling, heating, and AI mode. The temperatures can be changed between 61 Fahrenheit and 125 Fahrenheit. For the most comfort, the Aice 3 has a lot of different modes, such as quiet mode, low power mode, hot pack mode, and cooling first mode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cool tech info. You'll never miss an update if you hit the bell. Stay cool and see you in the next video.